So we washed the trucks, did a little help here at the shop. It's currently 5 o'clock. I just got here with a last minute call in Jackson, Georgia, which is about an hour from here. Sounds like it's a oil truck or a gas truck or something like that. It's a straight tanker truck. So we're gonna head out there, get hooked to him and bring him back. He's going back to Fairburn, so we'll probably be out for a while, probably until about 9 o'clock. We won't get home, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we're on scene. Forgot to get a shot dropping the underreach, but petroleum truck, heavy duty. It's got about 40, how many gallons you say? 4,500. We did the math, comes out to about 31,000 pounds. With the truck is probably running about 20,000 pounds on its own, so we're going to be running pretty damn heavy. Around about 50,000 just on this unit by itself. And with it being a straight truck, we're going to really feel it in the wrecker. So we're going to go ahead and start working this front axle here, and we'll go from there. Run the controls. Super easy hook on the front, no bumper, no low oil pan. Alright, what we're probably going to do, that's a lot of weight. I'm going to get air supply to the truck first, release the brakes, pull the truck in, and then lift it up. I don't want to bend that first stage because there's a lot of weight going on there. It has a quick connect on the main air tank. I don't know exactly which one it is, so we're going to grab the whole box and we'll find out together. This is always nice when there is a freaking quick connect on the tank itself. So we'll sort through this box, see which one will fit, if we got one. Hopefully we do. If not big of a deal. We can always just plumb straight to the drain plug. Those are super easy, and thankfully we had one. Super easy, do it with one hand. It's on there. I'll just tighten up that male end real quick. We'll run a line out here, and I might put a 90 so that way my hose is not come back here and put a kink in it. So I'll see if I can set up a 90 degree so it's sitting like this instead of straight back. Alright, there's our 90 degree. I'll run the air line from the side of the truck, connect it right here, and that'll be it for the air. Airline's hooked up. Let that build there for a little bit. We'll go and release the brakes. Pull that stage in. I'll just get a little bit of tension on that. I mean, it's not going to pop out by itself because there's so much damn weight, but just in case. I've got the brakes released. We're going to pull it in. Man, that thing is heavy. When my underreach struggles to pull something in like that, it is freaking heavy. I just didn't want that stage extended out too far. I'm going to go ahead and lift it so we can get underneath there, chain it up, and also for towing. Set it right about there. That should be good. Perfect morning truck. Nice rig here. Chained up now. We got to see how that drive shaft is doing. Hopefully it's going to be nice because I really don't want to pull axles on this truck. Alright, let's get our drive line carrier buddy parts and tools and all the fixings. Is this the right size? It sure is. We're gonna be able to do this with one hand. We'll make 2 trips. I'll tell you guys what, this the driver for this vehicle, super nice guy. Offered me Gatorade, water, all that stuff. He's going in the store right now. We're in front of the JP Travel Center in Jackson, Georgia. Asked me if I want something. No, I'm good, but man, that's probably the first time I've ever had a driver offer me, or just, you know, just generally being a nice dude. So that's always nice. Good conversation, good dude. Always helps the workflow. All right, should have everything we need. Let's I really hope this old girl's gonna be nice to us. Looks like, let's make sure this drive line is I'm gonna just set y'all down. Make sure this is not under tension. Nope. Make sure this socket is the right size. Oh my goodness, they're hand tight. What a blessing. Oh, those other ones are a little tight. That's all right. If they're coming off by hand, the other ones ain't gonna be bad. Not good for the truck, but good for me. Oh, super easy. That is, I'll tell you what, the most satisfying thing ever. No idea how often I fight with drive shafts to either break something or break myself. So this is always really, really nice. Since the drive shaft is sitting lower than the truck frame, I'm gonna have to disconnect it first, use my little pulley and drop it down just a hair. Then I'll be able to sit my the crossbar for the driveline buddy system. I'll be able to sit it down after I drop that driveline a little bit. So there's super easy. Again, look, there's a hole here, hole over there. Perfect for my pulley system. So that'll be like ridiculously easy. If you guys run a wrecker, I would highly suggest this driveline buddy system. If your company doesn't provide them, try to get them to provide them, because it makes everything easier when it comes to either taking it out. Oh, no wonder it's stripped. Might have to get a smaller socket. Let's see if I can just tilt it. Yeah, we just need to get it out. Yes, sir. Makes everything easier from taking them out to lowering them down just slightly to get your driveline buddy system in there, to also even putting them back in. That way you don't have to try to muscle it up and hurt yourself. So, I mean, when I put it back in, I can actually torque it down for you. But, thankfully, now you know. Which generally isn't an issue. I've seen a lot of trucks with them hand tight like that. They don't fall off. Yeah. I mean, you still want to have them torqued on to spec, but. Oh, that's full of water. We've got it held on with the pulley. We've got the driveline carrier on there, so we just lower it down into the carrier like that. Don't have to worry about muscling it. Don't hurt yourself. Double check these end caps. Make sure they're not going to fall off on their own. That side's good. That side's good. Put our yoke piece in like that. Pulley system on the left side. Find somewhere to hook to. There's plenty of places up there. Take some more slack out. Good. Probably hook up from that side. It's probably too dark. That's hooked up. Push it over. I'll bring it to this side so that way that hook is sitting on these threads right here. Keeps it more to one side. Tighten that up. That's going to take the slack out of the back of the drive shaft there. And then we'll put our safeties up, tie up the slack, and that'll be it. Drive line's good to go. Tow lights on. Do a little walk around. Drive shaft's out. Brakes are released, air supplied. Got air supplied on the other side. Tie that steering wheel down real quick. That way these wheels don't turn. Those are some heavy duty wheels. That's pretty much it. Oh, we also got the caps for the driveline inside the cab. Make sure you don't lose those. Hood's latched. Tow height's right. We're ready to go. See how she tows. Currently backing in the gas truck off of the street. This was not fun at all. Thankfully I've got the driver watching the ground for me. My clutch leg hurts quite bad. She's all dropped. That's pretty much it for this tow. Just the rest of the cleanup. All parts. That's pretty much it.